Hey guys, welcome. We are working on this linear inequalities homework worksheet. We're going to use it to prepare for our quiz. So it says, graph each linear inequality to show all possible solutions that determine if the ordered pair is a solution to the linear inequality. Okay. So first couple, the first two right here, these are already in our y equals mx plus b form. Now obviously they're not equals, but we can use the b, which is our y-intercept, so that's going to give us our starting location. -4 is from the b, and then we're going to use our slope of 5 over 3, so we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3. Again, 5 over 3, that's our slope, and -4 was our y-intercept. Okay, so first thing we need to get it in this form, and then we can graph it. And we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we want to focus on this guy right here. Because of the equals bar, we know it's going to be solid. And it is a less than, so we're going to shade below. So we're going to get a nice solid line. And we're going to shade below. And then let's go ahead and find the point, 4, 1. So it's 4, 1 is right there. Since the blue is in the shaded region, then it is a solution. So we're going to say yes. That is a solution. Okay. Over here, we're going to start at 7 on the y. And our slope is going to be down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. Okay, then we're going to focus here. This is going to be a dashed line, and it's going to be above because it's greater than. Okay, so we're going to get a nice dashed line in here, and we're going to shade above. And 2, 6, 2, 6. It's on the dashed line, so it's on dashed line. So no, not a solution. So not a solution for this one. If it was on a solid line, then it would work, but this is not. Okay. Again, as I'm working through these, you can try them yourself and then go ahead and check and see how you did against me. For here, we're going to subtract the 2x from both sides. And now I'm in graph ready form. I'm going to start at 1, and my slope is -2 over 1. I like to make it look like a slope. So there's my y-intercept of 1. Got a graph there. I'm going to zoom in. Maybe it'll be a little easier to do, a little easier to see. And we're going to go down 1, 2 over 1, down 1, 2 over 1, down 1, 2 over 1. And we're going to focus on the symbol here. It's going to be dashed. And it's less than, so we're going to go below. And our point is at 2, 3. 2, 3. That is not in the shaded region, so this is not a solution. Okay. Over here, we're going to have to subtract 2x. And divide by -5 to every piece. When I do that, the inequality is going to flip. Whenever I multiply or divide by a negative, that's 2 negatives, that's going to become 2/5 x, and that's going to become -6. Okay, so that's very key that remember that the inequality is going to flip. We start at -6, we're going to go up 2 and over 5. So we got our y-intercept of -6, then we're going to use our slope up 2 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can do it one more time, up 2 over 5. We can go also down 2, back 5. Okay. And then we're going to focus right on that symbol, and it's solid. And it is going to be a less than symbol, so we're going to shade below. And we find our point at 5, -1. So 5, -1. It is not in the shaded region, so this is not a solution. So no. Alright, over here we're going to subtract the x. So get negative y is greater than negative x plus 5. And we have to divide the negative 1 out, which is going to switch our inequality sign and change all these signs. And when you don't see a slope in front of the x, it just means it's 1. So I'm going to actually just write 1 over 1. So we start at negative 5, and then we're just going to go up 1 over 1. And it's just going to kind of go on the diagonal, just like that. And we focus right here. It's going to be a dashed line. And we're shading below because it's less than. And we're going to find 3 comma negative 3. 3, negative 3. And that is on the dashed line again. This will not work. It has to be on a solid line. So the answer is no. And our last one right here, subtract the 2x. And then divide by negative 6. That's going to flip our inequality. So we get 2 over 6x. And then divide that by negative 6. It's going to become a positive 4. So we start at 4, go up 1, 2 over 6. You also go down 2 and over 6. It's going to be a solid line. And it's going to be above. And then we go ahead and find 0, 4. Not in the shaded region. So the answer is no. That's it.